Welcome to our channel Learn Kashmiri with Arihant. In this video, we'll focus on specific questions that begin or end with what. What in Kashmiri is kya? Kya? The formula seems to be the same like where questions. You need an object and then you say what, which is kya, and follow it up with the verb if needed. Let's take some examples. Ts kya chuk karan? Ts kya chuk karan? Which means what are you doing? So kya ch karan? So kya ch karan? Which means what is she doing? Ts kya chuk khawan? Ts kya chuk khawan? Which means what are you eating? Tim kya dopnai? Tim kya dopnai? Which means what did he say? Ös kya ch yeti karan? Ös kya ch yeti karan? What are we doing here? चे क्या छुई म्यान्यन चीजन सद? चे क्या छुई म्यान्यन चीजन सद? What do you have to do with my things? ये क्या छुई चे अथस मंस? ये क्या छुई चे अथस मंस? What is it in your hand? च क्या काम छक करान? च क्या काम छक करान? Which means what work do you do? च क्या छक करान? च क्या छक करान? Which means what are you doing now? Ts kya chak khawan? Ts kya chak khawan? Which means what are you eating now? Tse kya gachi? Tse kya gachi? Which means what do you want? Tamis kya gache? Tamis kya gache? Which means what does he or she want? Tamatar kilo kahchu. Tamatar kilo kahchu. What price is a kilo of tomato? Please note that in this sentence, kya takes the form of kah. Kah. Kya gav? Kya gav? What happened? Amis kya gav? Amis kya gav? What happened to him or her? Tse kya goi? Tse kya goi? Which means what happened to you or what is the matter with you? Kya gom? Kya gom, which means what happened to me. So let's practice now. But before, let's review. The formula is object followed by kya followed by the verb. For example, what is your name? Can you say that in Kashmiri? Chon now kya cho? What is the time? Waqt kya aav? What is the address? Address kya cho? What are you saying? Ts kya chuk dapan or ts kya chuk vanan? What is your name? Chon nav kya cho? In this way, if you remember the noun, the verb and kya, you can create as many questions as you would like. That was all in this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and do not forget to press the like and the share button. Bye bye.